Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in a 2012 Jeep Liberty, only way. First, park on level ground and engage the parking brake to stabilize the vehicle. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent accidental shorts. Identify the low side service port near the compressor, clean the cap and inspect hoses for cracks. Always use the correct refrigerant and proper gauge set to avoid overcharging and system damage. Gather the right tools and confirm the system uses R134A refrigerant with the specified charge amount. Attach a manifold gauge set to both service ports, starting with low side based on manufacturer specs. Start the engine and set AC to max cool with blower high to circulate refrigerant. Monitor pressures and temperature while slowly adding refrigerant from a wade to avoid overfill and protect the compressor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It is great for hands-free timers and voice cues while you work under the hood, and it sounds surprisingly good when you need step-by-step instructions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Purge the service hose to remove air, then connect securely to the low side service port and start the engine. Add refrigerant in controlled bursts while watching the gauge and the cabin vent temperature. Pause frequently to let pressures stabilize and measure vent temperature, aiming for a steady cool output and correct pressure reading. If pressures climb too high or the compressor cycles, stop and let the system rest to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.